Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm V, Simply V at Home. Today I wanted to share with you my dining room table redo and deep clean. I'm in the process of getting my home ready for the spring, and I thought that I'd start with my dining room. This season I'm going for a soft, modern, clean look. So I started off by shopping my home for items I already had. Now I did recently just do a haul video in which I hauled some candles and candlesticks. Those are the only new items that are on my table. I will be sure to leave that video in the description box below if you're interested. And also, I'm still looking for my spring pop of color. I have no idea what it's going to be, but if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Now with glass, it's so hard to keep clean. This glass shows lint, dust, fingerprints, whatever the case. But I love the table so much, especially the base, that I just decided to deal with it. I normally wipe the table down about 4 to 5 times a week. Now, because I do have a glass table, what I've learned is that vacuuming before I clean the table is always the best thing because the vacuum cleaner kicks up dust and you don't want to have to re-wipe your table after you just cleaned it. So I always vacuum and mop first in my dining room and then I clean the top of the table. My aquarium is the backdrop to my dining room table. I love fish. I've had aquariums for years and years and years. And yes, the fish have personalities, but I make sure to keep that tank clean as well.